center?
Yeah, this is the school that this is where they're remodeling it.
Oh.
This is the junior high school.
Junior high school. Oh, look how pretty.
So that's
He was.
yeah.
He was. That's why.
Why Emmy left?
Clinton.
Why Emmy left?
Emmy, this is funny. Grandpa was a water
After
boy.
that incident, I become a water boy. Yeah.
This home.
Yeah, they remodeled before was
Memory Lane. This is where Mr. Yong used to live when he was a young boy for 7 whole years before he moved to California.
this house.
Right in front of it is a school.
You were in Eagle?
That's a new building. This is original. This
Oh, look at that. There's an eagle. Oh my.
no, the front is the same.
Even this
but
building
in
right
the
here?
back, yeah, this is the same.
This building's the same, right in front to our left.
This is the church that Mr. Yong used to go. Look at that. That's the name. Beautiful, big, grand church. Very nice. Look at him. Very grand.
Yeah, bon nila bon. We come. We pray. You can pray, but เขาบอกให้กินน้ำ
Wow. It's a big church.
Yeah, before it used to be a house there. I think they knocked down the house and they built a parking.
First Financial Bank. That's the first bank that Grandpa Bunta opened his account when he first came to live in U.S. Texas, Abilene.
Like this street here, it's circle around. They for what they call a bypass. They want to cut the freeway in town. So this is on circle.